wandering around and sitting in cars. A car dealership right now, not buying a car, waiting for a car to be picked up.
Look at all those cars.
That is here. Some nice cars here. Here we go.
There's drink and espresso.
Did you meet up with the guy yet?
No, waiting. What's that? Espresso. I don't even, you know how to work that machine?
They're about to get a new car. Dad was like, okay, what is the address? Because so I can go and get the void check. Because if I don't get a void check today, then I'm not gonna get my car.
That's what Dad said.
Look at the rims, man. This is what you get. A nice white car, looks nice. Oh, I like how they changed. They put the emblem. Yeah. I think this is something that we can afford.
86.
Yeah. Whoa. Only 86,000. Probably basic model. Holy, everything's so stiff in here, man. Sheesh. Very high tech. I'm not used to something like this. I don't know what to expect from modern new cars. Let's see now. It's just like pressing everything. Liking the leather. It's like a race car. Very comfortable though. Very roomy. So many options. Gosh. What do you expect with cars these days? Very nice. You know what car I'm gonna get in now? Alright, I'm about to get into the Corvette. Never been in a sports car before, so it's pretty exciting. Look at this. Oh, so glorious. Imagine you get a chance to drive one of these, to be able to have the privilege to drive a sports car. Man, it's so tight in here. I don't know what to say anymore. I'm just so speechless.
Go to inside?
Yeah, go inside. Huh? It's very comfortable. I've never sat in a sports car before, that's why. So,
Auto open there.
Oh dear, yeah.
Oh my god.
I know.
How you drive this? Holy smoke. Nice.
You know for what?
They sold something?
Once they sell something, they'll hit it.
Does that mean we're gonna hear it?
Yes, I dare to hit it.
No, has to be someone who sold, like, when we leave, right?
Good there? Okay, I gotta give you a copy of that because I gotta actually sign it. You're all set now?
That is excited. Wow, this car is big. I have to step back.
That's it.
Wow, okay.
Congratulations. If you need anything, give me a call. Okay?
Yeah, in the next couple years.
Maybe when our time comes.
Okay, thanks.
Wow, here. Which one to choose from? I would like to ride there too. Wow.
This will be a memory to remember. Always to remember. Are you gonna put the okay. Oh, they have it too.
Serving later.
Ever seen somebody so excited for a car? This is Dad and his car.
Hey! Yeah, we'll be at the house.
Whoa! Look at the smile on his face. We're so excited for him because he's so happy.
So we finally made it out of this place. We're outside. It's been hours. And finally they're in the car. Their license plates are attached. And it's been washed, full tank and everything. So here we go. That's putting on a seatbelt.
I'm like shivering. The camera's like shaking.
I'm just gonna
Mine was...
touch this.
Sorry for the minor shakiness. It's cold outside, but I have to catch this moment.
I think Dad is still trying to figure out how to move stuff and
How to navigate around the car.
yes. Doesn't it remind you of the car that we had in our wedding? He's reversing!
He's reversing.
I think I should be down there and make sure he's okay.
I'll come with you. And he's off by backing up. Whoa, this car's a monster truck.
Yeah, but it's a camera. Watch that.
It looks like they're like taking off for vacation on an airplane, but it's just in a car.
We'll see you at home, brand new car. Driving up. We made the dreams come true.
By being here with Dad.
So this is my dad's Christmas present for this year. A brand new car. Look at that beauty. Let me give you a side profile first. It's an extended Cadillac Escalade. Very nice. It's one monstrous vehicle. Look at those rims. Let's go here in the front. Damn! This is a massive vehicle. Massive, massive beast. Look at that. Beautiful. Just beautiful. I'll take you all the way to the back. There we go. I don't even know how to open it. Whoa, because it's not, you know, big enough. You need more space. Very nice. Oh my gosh, he went shopping already. Shopping for the new car. New floor mats. Let's go take a look inside, shall we?
Yeah.
Alright. Damn! Cadillac, Cadillac. Damn. Leather seats. And this is a 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7 seater. There are DVDs on, actually on all rows. So the back car has one, middle, and parents as well in the front. All-wheel drive, V8 with a reverse backing camera, even though we don't really need that because, you know, we've been trained to use without cameras. And it's an extended vehicle, so not your normal typical 4x4s. Dad's really happy. Look at him, he's already designing, making sure the car's clean. As you can see, all those towels are on the floor, making sure the floor is not going to get dirty because of course gotta maintain the car, right Dad?
Yeah.
There we go. This is the brand new